I just wanted to make a quick video showing how to build a solar charger for your Ryobi 48 volt mower. Now I have this all hooked up, and you can see in full sun I'm getting over 1.7 amps, 1.8 amps. It is a partially cloudy day. I've been able to get over 2 amps when in full sun, but this is 5 p.m. and it's doing pretty well. So what we have is some eco-worthy 100-watt solar panels. You can buy these. It's 2 to a pack. The price varies somewhere around $100. Sometimes a little bit more, sometimes a little bit less. And these are hooked up in series. So these have 2 connectors on them. And so you've got one connector that goes to the other panel and one connector that goes to the charger. And they'll only plug in one way, so you don't have to worry about, connecting them the wrong way. So again, it's just one on each panel. You have one wire connected to the other panel, and then from each panel you have one wire that goes back to the charger. Now this is an eco-worthy boost solar charger. This will do multiple voltages. It will actually do up to 72 volts. I have it set on the 48 volt setting. Generally your default settings are going to be okay, but there are some configurations settings you can do on here for different voltages. So be sure to read the manual on that. And then, so those are the 2 components, and then you just need to hook it to your mower. Now, I'm actually using the charge cable that's off of this this charger, the HTRC P3648. That cable, it has an XT60 connector. You can just buy that connector and solder it on right there, because when you get this, it's only going to have bare wires coming off of it. So basically what you would do is you'd push this little cover over, and then you can solder this on. And I don't know if you can see in there, but very small, right next to the pins, it has a plus and a minus. It tells you the polarity. So obviously plus, which is the flat side, is going to go to the red, and minus, which is the round side, is going to go to the negative. If you prefer to crimp rather than solder, you can get a pigtail that can connect those. Now, if you don't have this cable, right, because you don't have that charger, you can buy a cable that's very similar. It's about $30, and it actually has 3 wires in it. So there's a 3rd wire that's a green wire. You can leave that disconnected. You can also just buy this plug. So if you want to make your own cable, you can basically connect a 2-wire cable to here, and then put the pins on and add your own connector. I'll leave all of these options in the description, as well as links for this and links for these solar panels. But that's about it. You can see the sun is gone. Oh, actually now we're getting over 2 amps. So it's just going to depend on how much sunlight you're getting. Now, this is not designed to be, to charge your battery quickly. This is designed to charge your battery, 1, at no cost, right? Because you're just using the sun, and 2, somewhere where you don't have electricity. If you have a shed where you used to keep your gas mower and there's no electricity there, you can put these panels on the roof and get one of these charge controllers. And, if you're only mowing once a week, this is going to have you charged in a couple of days. If you want to charge faster, you can add more panels. You just need a splitter to be able to add more panels, but you can easily double to 4 panels. And I think that's about it. You can see it's pretty easy. If you can find these things on sale, you could build this for less than $150. If you find this useful, you want to learn about more tips for your Ryobi 48 volt mower, check out technicalpenguin.net. Thanks.